Selamat datang dan salam jumpa dari dunia musik bersama saya Nandalnya Remix Production.
Hello guys, what's up? My name is Francisco Igamsuela from School of Palawan Politi College, first year student, Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. This is my video presentation about virus. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.
I wanted this love to survive. Now when I look in your I feel paralyzed.
What is virus? A computer virus is a malicious software program loaded onto a user computer without the user knowledge and perform malicious actions. The term computer virus was first formally defined by Fred Chosen in 1983. Computer viruses never occur naturally. They are also included by people. Once created and realized, however, their diffusion is not directly under human control. After entering a computer, a virus attaches itself to another program in such a way that execution of the human program triggers the action of the virus instantaneously. It can self-replicate, inserting itself into the program or files, infecting them in the process. Not all computer viruses are destructive too. However, most of these perform actions that are malicious in nature, such as destroying data. Some viruses wreak havoc in some as their code is executed, while others lie dormant until a particular event, as a programmed gets intelligent that cause their code to run in the computer. Viruses spread when the software or documents they get attached to are transferred from one computer to another using a network, a disk file sharing methods, or to infected a mail attachment. Some viruses use different strategies to avoid the direction from antivirus software. For example, some can infect files without increasing their size, while others try to evade detection by killing the tags associated with the antivirus software before they can detected. Some old viruses make sure that the last modified date of the host file of stay the same when they inflict the file. What is a boot sector virus? A boot sector virus is a type of virus that inflicts the boot sector of floppy disk or the master boot record (MBR) of hard disk. Some infect to the boot sector of the hard disk into the MBR. The infected code runs the system is booted from an infected disk, but once loaded in the effect, other floppy disks when accessed in the infected computer, while boot sector viruses inflict the BIOS level or use DOS. Command to spread the other floppy disk. For this reason, they started to fade from use after the appearance of Windows 95, which made little use DOS instruction. Today, they are programmed known as booklets that write their code to MBR as a means of loaded early in the boot process in the concealing the action of malware running under Windows. However, they are not designed to infect removable media. What is direct action virus? The primary intention of the direct action virus is replication to the spread inspection whenever the code is executed. When certain condition has been met, the virus is the set of the action and begins to infect files, the directory of folder it's located in. A resident virus. A resident virus is a computer virus that stores itself with memory, allowing it to infect other files even when the originally infected program is no longer running. What is multi-file type virus? A multi-file type virus is a computer virus that able to attack both the sector and executive files in infected computers. If you're familiar with cyber threats, you probably know that the most computer viruses either attack the both sector executable files. Multi-file type viruses, however, are unique because of their ability to attack both the both sector and executive files stimulation. They're allowing time to spread in multiple ways. Known as ghost ball, is target the executable that files in both sector of the infected computer. Being the internet was still in the early years, ghost ball was able to reach many victims, which currently have the global population now connected to the internet. Tooth and multiplied viruses pose of the serious threat of a business of consumer alike. What is polymorphic virus? A polymorphic virus is the complicated computer virus that affects data types of function. It is a self-encountered virus designed to avoid detection by a scanner. Upon infection, the polymorphic virus duplicates itself by creating usable, albeit slightly modified, copies of itself. Polymorphism is a computing terms, means that a single definition can be used with carrying amounts of data. In order to scanner detect this type of virus, brute force programs must be written to combat and detect the polymorphic virus with novel variant configuration. What is overwrite virus? An overwrite virus is a malicious program which, after infection with effectively destroy the original program, could typically the overwriting data in the system memory. Example of an overwriting virus include the TGR reboot virus, which use Visual Basic 5 libraries to overwrite existing program code. What is space failure virus? Alternatively referred to as a cavity virus, a space failure virus is a rare type of computer virus that attempts to install itself by filling an empty section of a file. By only using empty section of a file, the virus can infect a file without the size of the file changing, making it more difficult to detect. What is file infector virus? A file infector virus attaches itself to executable program, such as the word processor, spreadsheet, application, and computer games. When the virus has infected a program, it propagates to infect the other program of the system, as well as the system that used the shared infected program. Jerusalem and cached as the best known the file infector viruses.
Ayo goyang demam, puter-puter jari. Ayo goyang demam, puter-puter jari. Memang
Selamat datang dan salam jumpa dari dunia musik bersama saya Nandalnya Remix Production.
Thank you so much for watching my video presentation. God bless to all and thank you again.